Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my face, I just filmed a takeover for Mecca Maxima's Instagram page and I used glitter and I haven't really been able to get it off. But I thought I wanted to just start a nice little weekend vlog with you guys. I have a few exciting things this weekend. I'm getting back into routine. This week has been the first week that I've properly gone back to actual work. So like I've been filming and editing as per usual, but getting back into the swing of my campaigns and my business. I'm worried this glitter is going to go on my eyeball. Okay, so I have showered, I have shaved my legs, I have exfoliated. I'm going to do a face mask, I'm going to do some fake tan, just have a bit of a pamper sesh. My hair is so knotty, I should have brushed it before I got in the shower. I'll probably leave it in overnight and then wash it out tomorrow, I'd say. Okay, hair mask in, face mask on, fake tan on. Can't really speak because the stuff keeps getting in my mouth. I'm gonna sit down after about 20 minutes and start my makeup for dinner tonight. I've had such a hectic week this week, so it feels actually really good to have some time for self-care. I'm making the executive decision that tonight I'm really not gonna bother putting much on my face. Look at this girl. Look at this sleepy little thing. You need a haircut. It's time for a haircut, I think. So I'm just going to put a bit of foundation on, a bit of bronzer and a bit of gloss. I thought though that I would tell you guys about the new foundation that I've been using. This is my favourite over the past probably 2 weeks that I've been trying this. It is called the Clinique Even Better Refresh Hydrating and Repairing Makeup. I wanted to make sure before I talked about it with you guys that I really loved it, and I genuinely do. The reason being, I have so many reasons why I love this foundation. If you guys remember the Even Better Glow foundation, which is obviously still a foundation with Clinique, it was a really lightweight foundation that would give colour to my skin, was really hydrating, but the main reason I liked it for like an everyday basis was because it had skincare benefits. So it was a foundation that was actually going to complement your skin and improve your skin. So this one is exactly the same. It has exactly the same amazing benefits. It takes everything that Clinique knows about skincare and puts it into a foundation. It has, along with my Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Gel treatment that I've been using for the last like few months now, which I'm loving, my skin has never been so glowy and plump. Like it literally, like I don't have anything on my face and it just constantly glows. I posted this on my story the other day, actually, well, like a few weeks ago, and you guys asked me what it was. This was it, and I just wanted to make sure 100% before I told you guys what it was that I really liked it and I love it. I would go with no makeup. You guys know I don't really wear makeup every day anyway, but because I've just put a fresh fake tan on, my face is quite white. So I have this in the shade WN48 Oat. And it's just like a nice, obviously a bit too tanned for my skin, but it just gives me that bronzy complexion. The difference between this foundation and my Even Better Glow, or like the original one that I used to use, is that this one is so full coverage, but not in an uncomfortable way. It's really creamy, it feels really light, but it's not one of those foundations that you use as more of a skin tint, I suppose. This one actually is like full on, it has incredible coverage. Nala's just sitting there looking at me like, why are you talking to yourself right now? So I'm using a Ray Morris kabuki brush right now just to blend it in. I use my fingers, I use beauty blenders, I use everything with this foundation. All of it works. I will say, if you're going to wear this foundation for a long period of time and you do get a bit oily, just set it down. With the Clinique foundations as well, if you guys are ever wondering, you can actually go in store and get a sample of like 10 days worth of foundation to try it out before you actually want to buy it. And 10 days to figure out whether or not you like a foundation is a lot. So I'm just chucking on a bit of my curvy contour. This will just give me like that extra bronziness, just so that if I start to develop more throughout the night, at least my face has a bit of dimension. Can you see that healthy glow? So what I do is I just take a bit of powder and set my T-zone. So from using this for over 2 weeks Now, I will say that I have noticed, like I said before, the glow in my skin. The glow when I'm wearing it in my skin, but also when I'm not wearing it. So there's peptides, salicylic acid. Basically, it improves your skin texture, your glow, your hydration, everything that is important to your skin. Anywho, this girl and I are gonna go get ready. I'm just gonna leave the treatment in my hair tonight. We're gonna go eat Thai. I wanna wear loose pants because I'm just gonna smash that food. I'm gonna smash that food. Okay. Thank you. I'll bring you guys along to dinner though, and show you guys what we eat, and yeah. Okay, I've just added a little bit of lip liner and we are ready to go. Nick's here, but he's just getting changed. I've just gone with a leather jacket, a off-the-shoulder brown top, which I believe is from Zara, and then this leopard skirt, which is from Princess Polly. I'm just gonna wear my Dior shoes. Here's a better look at my outfit. Just got that. Hey Nick.
What does everyone think of my outfit?
Looking good?
Vote yes, no.
Look how good my skin's looking. Glowing, darling, glowing.
Sick pose, Nick.
Right, so for dinner tonight we're going to Long Chim. So cool. I rate the denim jacket. I think it looks good.
Oh, I like it.
So guys, this is me trying to change my career into a food. What's it called?
It's called vlogging.
Critic. I'm gonna come to all your restaurants and critique it. Free food. Isn't that the goal?
Yeah, to review food, to get to eat amazing food for free.
I'm getting invited.
To put on a lot of weight for free.
Yeah.
Well, this place is pretty cool.
What are you thinking for your first drink?
What do they got there?
They've got a lot. Happy birthday, Katie!
Good idea. Great idea.
We've come to the table.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night.
You gonna come for walkies? Are we gonna go for walkies? Yes. Good morning. We are off for a walk with Nala. We've just had breakfast. I will overlay what we ate. Just some eggs and avocado and then a muffin. And now we're gonna go to Centennial Park and take this little gal for a stroll before we will part ways. And I'm going to a friend's birthday and Nick's gonna go watch the Avengers.
Where are you going?
What are you doing, cheeky? Okay, so Nick has something to tell you guys.
This little thing down there. She's the new star of the hottest Instagram page to hit the internet in the last couple of weeks. It's called Nala Watch. So
I'll link it down below.
if you're all interested to see what she gets up to and a little bit of background or deleted scenes of that girl, then go give it a follow.
But it's fully him. I have nothing to do with it. I haven't posted anything. I don't know what he's posting when he posts it. It's fully just Nick.
I just said,
What do you have there?
you want it? You want it?
Yay! Just having a lie out in the sun. Oh, it's too nice in the sun. It was so cold before, so it's so good to just like have a bit of warmth on my skin. Morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. I am a little rusty. I went out last night with my friends. Had a really nice time, but now I've got to go out again. We're going to lunch with one of Nick's old friends, who are now my friends. I love them, Ello and Kit, and we are going to go to Bar Patron and have some margaritas, have a bit of Mexican.
There's Uber Eats bags everywhere.
Oh yeah, I ordered a burger last night.
Sam's trick. AM trick. A gala.
No, it wasn't AM, it was when I got home last night. but I ate the chips.
In the AM.
Yeah, I suppose. Oh. Okay, here we have my outfit for day 3. Not that I showed you my outfit yesterday, but I'm just wearing an outfit from Revolve. Just a long maxi white skirt, this top, which both of them are Lover and Friends, but from Revolve. On our way. Different than what I did about a second ago. I am home now. We've just bought an abundance of lollies and chocolate, which we definitely don't need. Got some raspberries, some Freddo Frog, some Ben & Jerry's, and some Marvelous Creations. I figure I may as well go out with a bang. I've like pushed my body past the limit of just too much sugar and rubbish, and I'm ready to actually be healthy. I say that every week though. I'll see how long that lasts, but actually I really want to like put an effort into being healthy. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.